Hey, hi friends. So friends, today in this video we're watching the beautiful kitchen designs for our house because a kitchen is often the hub of your home. So it designs requires more thought than picking a few colors and materials. Paint colors and appliance and other extra comes down to your personal tastes and your home style. But design factors such as space, layout, cabinets make your kitchen more functional. So there are some important points to be considered before making the kitchen. First one is your budget. A key factor for homeowners when it comes to kitchen design is the budget. The cost of a new kitchen can be astronomical. You don't want begin with a firm budget for the project. Decide on a maximum budget for the project and choose the crucial elements such as cabinets, countertops, room colors. So before you select anything else, to avoid going beyond your budget. Another point is to needs and the layout. When designing a new kitchen, consider what you want to plan to do in the space. While cooking is the most common answer, this means the different things for different people. No matter what your plans are in terms of use, all kitchens should be designed using the triangle theory or U shape and the L shape layouts. Because the kitchen should have a natural pathway between the sink, cooktop, and the fridge, and sufficient countertop space between these elements to ensure the maximum efficiency. It also states the distance between the three main appliances should range between 10 to 20 feet so that everything is always within the reach, but not so close you feel claustrophobic. Another point is your cabinets and storage. Homeowners have many choice in terms of cabinet materials and styles, with wood being the go-to material, but there are also laminated or vinyl coated cabinets available. These are durable and easy to clean and can still have the look of a natural wood. The final decision for cabinet materials comes down to the personal preference. The cabinets that are durable, low maintenance, and easy to clean can last the life of your kitchen. So, practical kitchen design also afford ample space for you to store the food, cookware, and small appliances. So, most kitchen cabinet Includes the basic cabinet and drawer layout above and below the countertop, but you may need more storage space than this provides. An island is the center of your kitchen, adds more work and the storage space. Another point consider is the workspace. Your kitchen design should include enough space for your work comfortably so that you can complete your normal routine. The length of your countertops depends upon your needs, but no matter how long your countertops need to be, the material you choose should be durable and easy to clean. Laminate countertops fill the bill and are available in a variety of patterns and colors.